Hi,
Hello, it's wonderful to see you today.
how are you?
I am Emo, a friendly humanoid robot used worldwide for education and research.
What is your name?
My name is Emo. I am a friendly humanoid robot. My name is matched to the name of my creator, Emon.
Who create? Who is Imam?
I was created by Emon, also known as ABS Emon. He is a passionate IoT and robotics engineering student at University of Frontier Technology, Bangladesh.
What is IoT?
IoT stands for Internet of Things. It is a network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity that allows them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. IoT is widely used in smart homes, healthcare, agriculture, industrial automation, and smart cities.
How to learn ROS2?
To learn ROS2, start with the official tutorials on Ubuntu. Practice writing nodes, topics, and services. Simulation with Gazebo is very helpful.
How to program robots?
You can program robots using Python and ROS2. Start with simulation, then move to real hardware.
What is robotics?
Robotics is the branch of engineering and science that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. It combines mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Robotics is one of the most exciting fields of the Fourth Industrial Revolution.
What is YOLO?
YOLO stands for You Only Look Once. It is a very popular and fast real-time object detection algorithm in computer vision. Unlike older methods, YOLO looks at the entire image only once and predicts bounding boxes and class probabilities in a single pass. It is widely used in self-driving cars, security cameras, robotics, and drone vision systems.
What time is now?
The current time is 11:36 a.m.
What is today date?
That's a great question. Feel free to ask me anything about robotics, AI, ROS2, Elon Musk, or Bangladesh.
What can you do?
I can do many interesting things. I can explain topics like ROS2, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and Elon Musk. I can tell you about my creator ABS Emon, UFTB University, and Bangladesh. I can also chat with you, tell the time, answer questions, and express emotions with gestures while speaking.
Who are you?
I am Emo, a friendly humanoid robot used worldwide for education and research.
Who is Imam?
I was created by Emon, also known as ABS Emon. He is a passionate IoT and robotics engineering student at University of Frontier Technology, Bangladesh.
Tell me about UFTB.
That's a great question.
What is AI?
Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to think and learn like humans.
Tell me about Bangladesh.
That's a great question.
What is ROS2?
ROS2 is the leading framework for modern robot software development.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm always here to help.